Sailing the ocean blue.
Yes, the old Pacific Ocean. Man at sea.
Captain Bumble, you know, the one from the Rudolph movie.
Hi everybody. We're actually in the ocean now, and I kind of want to show you some ocean videos that we took on our way because we're close to leaving, so yeah, we'll do that. Anyways, bye. Enjoy the video.
Oh, that's a great capture.
They're there.
They keep breathing out of the top of their head.
Whoa, look at that! They just jumped around like, whoa!
Gustav. Check them out. See them?
Oh, this is a nice pod here. Now, the species of dolphin here, these are called common dolphin, and their name explains them pretty well. They're the most common or abundant species that we see here. They're also found worldwide in every ocean in the world.
These dolphins be so common, so basic.
It's really pretty. There's a lot in there. They estimated like 100 of them
Look at those
in that
guys.
pod.
Look at those guys, they want to come say hi.
First thing you'll notice with the common dolphin is they're not very big. They're only about 150 to 200 pounds and about 6 feet in length. Well, they are the smallest, but by far the most abundant species we see here.
That's cool. Look at those guys, they got a big old pod of them. Big old iPod of dolphins.
Clever. iPod of dolphins.
They're coming right at us.
Oh!
Oh!
That one got a good
I'm gonna do a
splash.
backflip.
I have to do an instant replay of that.
Oh!
Oh, that guy jumped again too. These are jumping all over the place. Look at them. They're flopping all around.
They're coming right at us. Oh! I'm gonna do a backflip. Look at them swimming in the water, Tom. They're taking off. They're showing off. Oh yeah, they're swimming with us. Look at.
What'd you think of seeing that guy jump right next to you?
That was awesome.
Radical.
Totally tubular. You feel that little mist?
Yeah, kind of.
Little ocean breeze? On these dolphins that you see.
They're dolphins. That's all my only thoughts.
Dolphins.
That's all
His
my only
only
thoughts.
thought.
Well, we're getting close to them.
They're just swimming. They hunt in packs. They're like the wolves of the water.
Water wolf.
Cool. Is that pretty cool?
Now, this isn't a species of
Is that
dolphin.
pretty cool?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, I was lucky to be able to get this footage. I just held my phone out further. These guys. Oh, when I dropped my phone. I just put a little fishing line around my phone, trapped it down there. The new water-resistant phones from my iPhone. Got
Now
some
I can
really
see
good
that they're
footage.
smaller.
Look at the sun rays going through that.
Yeah,
That looks gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Everything
It's
here.
really cool. See,
It's
only
gorgeous.
who see it like pop up that little bit, but they were in there that whole time, and there's a bunch of them. Like bloop. They're like bloop. That would kind of suck if the only way you could move was just have to wiggle like a worm. Dolphins are like beautiful worms. Look at them. They're just wiggling in the water.
Yeah, they are.
Like, running and walking is kind of cool because you got legs. But what if you just had to, like, wiggle? Like, wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's how I move. That would kind of suck. But they do a pretty good job with it.
Because they're the third most smartest species in the world.
But they can't scratch their butt.
Unlike the second, monkeys.
You think the second... So do these count like whales, too?
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Oh, yeah.
So, I think we got a little seal harbor. Chilling on a buoy. It's their natural habitat. It's Seal Buoy.
Alrighty, guys. Now, this red and white buoy is very important in navigation. It marks the entrance to the harbor. And as you can see, there's a bunch of California sea lions up on the buoy. Now, people get these guys confused with seals all the time, but 99% of what we see here is the sea lion.
Oh, it's the lion of the sea.
Now, some easy ways to tell the difference between sea lions and seals. Look on the side of these guys' head. You'll see they have little external ear flaps, little ears on the side of their head. Seals would just have holes or slits, of course, connected to that ear canal. If you were to hear one barking or roaring, that's a sea lion. Seals don't have vocal cords. And the easiest way to know or tell these are sea lions is the fact they're up on the buoy. If they can jump up on the buoy, that's a sea lion. Seals could not physically get up there. They are primarily nocturnal feeders. They feed on pretty much anything they can catch. Sport caught fish, bait fish, crab, lobster, octopus. They can get their teeth on, they will try and eat. They do have very large canine-like teeth and a very strong bite.
I can smell the diesel.
The whiskers are called fibrosi. They're thick, sensitive whiskers that can detect the motion of the fish at night. Males get pretty big. Males can get up to about 800 pounds. Full-grown females are much smaller, only about 150 to 200 pounds. And we pretty much always see them on this buoy, especially on beautiful days like today.
It's the hottest spot to hang out. They love that bell.
See, they're making weird noises. I don't understand. That guy said he couldn't make any noise, but I feel like I heard more.
Remember, these are sea lions, not seals.
They say they couldn't bark.
Look at that. They're so weird. I would love to draw something like that. That would be cool. That's actually kind of beautiful in some weird way.
Goodbye, sea lions.
Bye, sea lions.
You're the lion of the sea.
Bye.
Pictures, you'll also
We did
get
like
the
a
video
little drawing
that
of
he
it.
took there.
No, see right there.
Here, let's go get the
He'll give you guys a couple
footage.
re-ride passes.
What?
These passes get you back out on the boat next time for just $7,
Yeah.
and you get the
Hey, buddy.
What? Oh, and this guy was waiting for us at the end.
Oh, this is really surprising. Like, whoa, man, there's a sea lion.
He was used to getting bananas.
Holy mackerel. Look at that guy.
Holy mackerel, he was waiting for mackerel.
Cool. Oh man, that's.
There he is.
Good eye, Mike.
Oh, he's showing off.
Oh, the
Ooh.
pictures.
Yeah, these are some I blew up from my iPhone. Or perhaps it was a professional photographer, Dale, that let us use these. We help support it. That looks really cool, though. These dolphins are pretty. You don't realize how much white's on them. Really notice it while they're in the water. Because their underside is... They kind of look like dolphin orcas.
Also, at the beginning of the video with the water video, that was also done by Dale.
Yes, yeah, all the good stuff was done by a professional photographer.
Oh, the smash it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, like my neck has got a kink in it.
If you look at this picture fully, that would be a fantastic painting.
Alright.
I guess that's it. That's the video.
Hope you enjoyed sailing the ocean blue.
Bye.
Stop laughing! Finish your homework! You're laughing too much!